Looking for glowy skin and a clear complexion, this green juice is one of my secret weapons. It's packed with nutrients that your skin will love, and it's such a delicious way to boost your beauty routine. So let's dive into how to make it and why it can help transform your skin from the inside out. Before we start, I just want to say welcome to the BeSoGuud channel, where we're all about elevating ourselves to be our best, both inside and out. It's so good to have you here, and let's get into it. Welcome to my kitchen and one of my favorite gadgets ever, my Hurum juicer. Today we're going to be starting off with one cucumber as well as a full stalk of celery. A red apple or green apple will do if that is your preference, and then make sure you don't forget to add a little cutie or a clementine, and then optional, you have a packet of stevia. I like my juices a little bit sweeter, and I feel like this helps a lot, but it is optional. Of course, we're going to start off with just very thoroughly washing all of our produce, especially when it comes to the bunch of celery. There's a lot of dirt and debris that likes to get caught in between each stalk, so just really make sure that you're cleansing that thoroughly. And as I proceed to cleanse and cut up all the produce, I want to start talking about some of the benefits as to why these ingredients can really, promote skin health. I will say that, of course, diet is just a supplement to whatever you're doing with your at-home routine, but I think that both a really good at-home routine as well as a really good anti-inflammatory and really nutrient-rich diet is what's really going to help transform your skin. So they both have to just really complement each other. I don't think you can have just one without the other. So today's juice is definitely something that helped me when it came to clearing my acne and my clogged pores and my comedones and everything like that alongside all the products. But essentially, I'm cutting everything really largely because this juicer is so amazing. And no, this is not sponsored. I bought this juicer with my own money. I will have it linked down below if after watching this video you realize that you absolutely need this, because you do. I can tell you it has changed my life. I used to not juice, and I've had a lot of other juicers that ended up breaking or were just such a pain in the butt to clean. And this juicer is so easy. It is so quiet. You're gonna see how amazing it is, and it just makes having your green juices for your clear complexion so much easier. But look at all this beautiful spread of produce that we're gonna be ingesting, and that's gonna help us irradiate from within. So let's start talking about some of the benefits. Obviously, we have cucumbers. Cucumbers are mostly water, which makes for amazing hydration. Hydration is so key to keeping your skin plump and glowing. It also contains silica, which helps with skin elasticity and just reducing wrinkles and fine lines overall. Plus, it's very anti-inflammatory. So anything that's anti-inflammatory is gonna be so good for your skin, because guess what? Acne, things like that, they're all an inflammatory response to also internal things that are going on. So having all these anti-inflammatory foods are only going to benefit you. Also, the king of all, we have celery. There is a reason why celery became so popular at one point, but celery is rich in vitamin K, which helps with skin renewal and healing. It also contains lots of antioxidants that fight free radicals and also help to prevent premature aging. It's also very high in its water content and just helps to flush out toxins and just give you that fresh, dewy look. I will say that when incorporating just celery into your juicing or your smoothing routine, you are definitely going to notice a positive difference. Then we have our apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are packed with fiber and antioxidants, which help your skin by promoting healthy digestion. Obviously, today we are doing a juice. As you can see here, it's turning out to be quite beautiful. We're just refeeding the Hurum. It's so cool because it acts literally just like a blender, where you can just feed it and let it do its thing. But of course, since this is a juice, we are, having the fiber come out one end. I love smoothies, and I'm all pro fiber, but sometimes it's just nice to have a liquid juice version instead of always having to gulp down smoothies. So that's what today is for. But still, apples have a lot of great benefits, and also the natural sugars really help to sweeten the juice as well and just hydrate and nourish your skin, keeping it nice and soft and plump. And then of course our clementine, this little citrus fruit, is loaded with vitamin C. Obviously, as you probably know, you put vitamin C on sometimes externally on your skin, but consuming vitamin C is also really, really good for you. It is going to help a lot with keeping your skin just firm and youthful, and just overall really high in antioxidants, and making sure that you're getting your vitamin C daily dose. And let's just take a moment to look at the color of this juice. Of course, you want to pour it over some ice so it's nice and refreshing and cool, and I just think it makes it taste so much better. But that color is everything. That is just health and nutrients right there. It's one of those cases where it looks that healthy and it is that healthy. Now I just kind of want to show you how easy it is to disassemble the Hurum H310. Like I told you, this juicer is just insane. It's so easy to use, it's so easy to clean, and it's just so easy to put together. It actually uses slow cold press technology to extract the juice, and it preserves, all the nutrients, the enzymes, and the vitamins. So when you even touch the pulp, you're going to see that it's really dry. All of their juicers are 100% BPA free, and they actually have, as you can see here, no blades and no sharp parts, so they are really safe to just clean and feel good about putting them together or taking them apart. And probably just one of the best features too is just how quiet it is. I have actually used this as my fiance is sleeping, and he'll just sleep through it. It's not like those really loud juicers. It definitely is one of my favorite purchases that I've ever made, and I'll have it linked down below as well. Now for the final results. Cheers, let's take our first taste test. Oh, I love this. I could drink this every day. I will say that for me personally, adding the 1 packet of stevia as well as the clementine, the acidity of the clementine really helps to cut out the bitterness of the celery and makes this way more enjoyable. In my personal humble opinion, I have acquired a love for this juice, which is why I try to drink it every day if I can. And just the fact that the Hurum juicer is so easy to use has definitely helped me incorporate this more into my routine. But I would love to know what your favorite juices are, or whatever your favorite juice is. If you notice that it helps your skin out, I would love to know what's in it so we can chat about it, so I can try some of your juice recipes. If you tried this one, please, I would love to know your thoughts. If you start incorporating it more consistently into your routine, let me know if you notice the changes in your skin like I personally have noticed in my skin when I incorporate this. And I just really hope that you try it, because I do think that it's really gonna help you, and you will personally love the results and just the flavor. Even if maybe at the beginning you're not used to it, I promise you that it grows on you and it becomes so delicious. I meant what is delicious? So delicious that you're gonna wanna have it every single day. And as always, if you got any value from this video, please don't forget to give that subscribe button a sweet little tap. I'm so grateful to have you here, and I hope to catch you in my next one.